So amadou is a tinder fungus. It doesn't grow around here, unfortunately, but we do have some different tinder fungus that grow. So your shelf mushrooms will work, not as good as this. But a lot of times when you see this rusty color in tinder fungus, it's a good indication it's going to hold a coal, and it's going to do it well. So I put that amadou at the bottom, so when my coal develops, it'll fall into that, and then I can separate it. It'll hold the coal for a long period of time, and I'll use it to transfer the coal over, as opposed to just using a thin piece of leaf or stick or what have you. And if you look at my Tinder bundle, I've already got it set up. Ideally, you should have your Tinder bundle set up before you make your coal, so that you can just drop it right in. It increases your chances of success. Nice fluffy material here. That's actually cedar bark because it's resinous, and it'll spread the coal. And then I've got more yucca that I had from a fire roll, and then larger, coarse material that I can actually hold on to, but still some fluff. And then the largest, coarsest material on the outside. And I want it at least the size of a bird's nest or grapefruit would be ideal. So I'm going to go ahead and make a coal, drop it into the Tinder bundle so you can kind of see how it works. I could already have this together, but I'm just going to do it real time. Let me make the coal. Got a coal. And since it's in the tinder fungus in the amadou, I'm not in a big rush. I'm going to go ahead and pinch this. So we can catch how it burns into the tinder fungus. This stuff, in Northern Europe, they would make this into hats and clothing because it's like leather. Notice how I'm turning it upside down once the flame starts, so it'll burn up into those fibers. If you had a bellows, you could just leave it on the ground, but anytime you put it on the ground, you run the risk of it wicking moisture. Even out of concrete, it'll wick moisture up into it. But if y'all are over here, you can see the flames. The wind itself will keep this going. See that there's a flame there. I'm just putting it on that so I don't burn the concrete. And once those get going, then we would have flame. I'm not too worried about making a fire right now. The reason I have these out here is so we're not making